Hello, this is a simple guide on how to get started on our e-learning website using your desktop browser. Let's say you open our website and on your laptop, this is how to get started, how to buy our courses, and how to access all the very value first courses that we have on our website. It's very simple. So first, you go to the website at www.valucopglobal.com. Let's try it again. So you do your valucopglobal.com like this, and it takes you there to the website. So we're loading. Now it opens the website for you. So these are the websites from desktop view, and so because over the years we found out that you can leverage the internet, you can leverage what you already know, and can you leverage the innovativeness of the internet, the opportunities that are very, very massive that are available on the internet. You can leverage all of them to make up to 6-7 figures for yourself. So that's why we created this website, so you can make it very easy for you. You can take courses at your pace, and all our courses, we've had track records and testimonials to back it up that what we teach actually yields results. You can scroll down to the website to see some of the testimonials that we have here. These are some of the testimonials. If you wait for it, it's slides through and all. And so let's say now you're on the website now. Someone directed you, someone referred you here, and you want to take our courses. You can click view all courses, or you can come here and go to, let's say you want to go for crypto job course. This is our crypto job course, teaches you how to get crypto jobs, high paying crypto jobs, and even if you don't have a CV or you have zero experience. So you click on it, enroll now. You click on enroll now, it takes you here. Now these are the modules that you're going to go through. These are the modules. So you go to take this course, and then you click on add to cart. So it's saying that I need to register to access this course because I'm not registered. So I go to view cart. Now I have 2 courses here, so I'm actually going for one. So I'll now proceed to checkout. Now on proceeding to checkout, it will lead me to login, because you need to have an account for us to give you full support, to offer you, give you access to our long-term community support, long-term training and mentorship. You need to log in, create an account. So it brings you up to log in and register. So for you now, log in, register. If you already created an account on our website, you can go ahead and click login. If not, you go to register an account. And go to register an account, it's going to bring you a page where you fill in your details. Then on register an account, you click on sign up. You have your email address, first name, last name, password, confirm password, sign up. This is very, very simple, very easy. And then when you sign up, it takes you back to complete your purchase. And if you already have an account, then it takes you here, and then you sign in, and it takes you back to complete your purchase. Login is successful, so you now have access to your account, and you can check your downloads. Now you can see all the courses that you have access to, and the ones that you are progressing, you have access to, and all of that. And you can edit your profile. Okay, don't mind this. This is the back end. So alright, so that is very super duper easy. So let's log out. So let's log out. So that is how to get started. It's very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. You can see our courses on via our shop, where you can just simply go to course you want, and then you click on add to cart, you click on view cart, and then you go to proceed to checkout, and it takes you back to login. If you have an account with us, you just simply use your username and password, or you just click register an account. When you register an account, you go back to, after you register an account, kindly go back to all courses page or shop page after you've logged in, because when you register, it's required that you now log in, and you go to all courses, you go to shop and pick your course and just make your payment. This is very, very simple. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, don't forget to use this WhatsApp button here. It is right straight to my DM, and we can attend to you and answer your questions and guide you through. Thank you.